We're still looking at our working with strings file here, and we want to just actually be able to print out the values of our strings. We're towards the bottom here, line 50 of working with strings PHP, and you can see here we can just echo that out. Echo is going to be a little bit faster than print, and you can see that we have some special syntax here, a little bit anyway. We have the double quotes, and you want to see specifically the echo and print videos to see exactly how you can use these. But when you put your strings together, you're either going to use the comma separated echo, or you're actually going to concatenate strings together, and we'll see that in another video. But in this example, we have the echo with little parts here that are separated by commas, and I also use the dot notation to add things together as well, and that's going to be a part of concatenating. We're going to add these two pieces together. Comma separated again, and then the string itself again. Here we're just getting the length of the string, comma separated, and then the last part, semicolon. And that's one way to do it. Keep in mind though that when you want to actually put a $sign here, because there are different ways that we can actually echo out our variables, we want to actually literally put a $sign here to echo it out, and we're going to put that backslash here in order to tell PHP, hey, we really want a $sign here. Because if you don't do that, then it's going to think that you actually want to echo out the string, the variable, because you can do that. If you did this, this would print the value of string, and then it wouldn't look the same as the others. As you can see here, it printed out twice, and then it does the string length, instead of doing it like this. So that echo has that escape character, and you want to take a look at more about strings and then escaping functions as you see here in this list in order to see how that works and what the concerns are there. But for the most part, it just says take it literally. Put a $sign there instead of echoing out the string value. So that's how you would do it with echo, and it's very easy to echo out your strings and print them out for you to use them and to see them. There are different ways we can use them within functions and all different types of ways of working within PHP, and we're going to see that. In this example here below, you can see that we have something that's not going to come out correctly. And if we look at str9, you see that things aren't working correctly and it's not outputting correctly. Let's take a look at why that's happening. If we look up top, we have string 9, which is being concatenated together, and that's going to be math in those regards. So you want to look at the concatenation video, just so you know that when we're echoing that out, that this isn't going to give the right value. It's giving a value of 0. So do take a look at the concatenation, how you put strings together in order to see that, just so you're not confused by that within the example that we're using here.